that. That Cattleman's cutlet. Boom, boom, tender as the titties. Yeah, baby. Flame grill that fucking meat, yes. Okay, welcome to Kitchen Chaos, and there's me, me trusty assistant over there. He's just keeping an eye out for any meat robbers that may be in the industry. And, today we're doing a Cattleman's cutlet. It's about a 638 gram Cattleman's cutlet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the oven for about 140 degrees for about 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes. You don't want any more than that. Now listen guys, I've got 3 different rubs here, all from Lane's, some combo, some garlic seasoning and Chibano. I've mixed them up there. Now we're just going to simply just drizzle that shit over the meat like that, just to give it a little bit of a crisping, crisp that meat up when it goes in the oven. So this is the first stage of many stages of how to cook a Cattleman's cutlet. Okay, been working all day on the old the mortar and pestle. Grind up that salt. Boom, Salt Bay. Boom, a little bit of Salt Bay. It all helps guys, it all helps. Now listen guys, have a good look at that. That Cattleman's cutlet. It's gonna be as bloody tender as my titties. On the titty please. Boom, 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 boom. Tender as the titties. Alright guys, we'll have the second stage coming too soon. Cattleman's cutlet's been in for about 25-30 minutes. You can see it's a bit brown, but it's still a bit tender. So I'll flip it on its side for a sec guys. We're gonna use a bit of this high heat stable extra virgin oil. At least someone's stable today, and that's the oil, not me. You know what I'm saying? You're picking up what I'm putting down. Drizzle a bit of that on. Bit more salt, bit more rub. Just to get them flavours out. Flip it over. Oh, we might as well flip it up like that. Okay guys, I'm gonna chuck it on and we'll do the same to the other side once it's in. You need to get your plate as hot as you can, so it just bloody reverse sears the goodness in the inside. You want it nice and barky and crispy on the outside, but the inside tender, like my titties. A tin foil ready to wrap it up and put it to bed until we're ready for dinner. Let's have a look at this Cattleman's cutlet. Now, Cattleman's cutlet is basically a bloody tomahawk without the bone. Hey, if you want a bit of bone, you want to pay for the bone, buy a fucking tomahawk. If you don't, buy a Cattleman's cutlet. It's just a shorter bone on the same piece of meat. Let's have a look to see how she's going. Yeah, baby, flame grill that fucking meat. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Nice, she's looking good. We'll flip her in a minute. There you go, we just flipped her. You can see the nice char. Snap, snap, snap. The nice char about it, eh? Beautiful, she's gonna be a nice piece this, mate. Flame grilled Cattleman's cutlet. Okay, now for the reveal of the Cattleman's cutlet. Have a good look at that. You got some juices coming out there, still nice and tender and crispy on the outside. Beautiful. Let's slice a little bit off and let's see how she looks. Oh, how we go with that? See how she is, eh? Okay, now it's coming back to me. Oh. That reminds me of a Bee Gees concert at Woodstock in 1969 when 3 lesbians were in a pop-up tent smoking Datura. Oh, that was tenderness times. Beautiful, Cattleman's cutlet, what a winner. And you know, the star of the show, my trusty assistant, have a go at him, hey? He's getting a bit of Cattleman's cutlet. Spoiled little boy. How's that slow-cooked Cattleman's cutlet, Jimmy? Oh, woofity woof woof. Oh, that's tasty. Yeah, I remember that story about them lesbians in the tent. I remember you told me that once before. Oh, yum, yum, yum. All right, thanks, Dad. All right, thanks, guys. Cattleman's cutlets. Yum, yum, yum.